What is the neuroscience of empathy and social connection? Have you ever wondered how we connect with others on such a deep level? The neuroscience behind empathy and social connection reveals fascinating insights into our emotional lives. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. This skill is essential for our emotional well-being and helps us balance our careers with our personal lives. At a basic level, empathy relies on a part of our brain called the mirror neuron system. This system includes areas like the inferior frontal gyrus and inferior parietal lobule. When we see someone else's actions or emotions, these areas activate in our brains, mirroring their experiences. This process allows us to grasp how others feel without even thinking about it, making social interactions smoother and more intuitive. But it doesn't stop there. Empathy also involves a broader network in our brains, including the insula, amygdala, and superior temporal cortex. The insula helps us connect what we see in others with our emotional responses. The amygdala plays a role in processing emotions, especially when it comes to distress or pain. This network enables us not just to recognize emotions, but also to feel motivated to help others or to avoid conflict. When we engage in social activities, something interesting happens. Our brains can synchronize during shared experiences, like watching a movie together or having a heartfelt conversation. This synchronized brain activity reflects our aligned emotions and interpretations, which strengthens our social bonds. However, it is important to remember that differences in how we interpret situations can arise. Open communication is key to maintaining those meaningful connections. Now, how can we use this understanding to balance our careers and personal lives? Here are some practical strategies. First, prioritize quality social interactions. Engaging in meaningful conversations or collaborative activities can deepen your connections and provide emotional support, which helps buffer stress from work. Next, practice active empathy. Being aware of others' feelings and responding with understanding can improve relationships at work and in your personal life. This approach reduces conflict and enhances cooperation. Also, managing emotional overload is vital. Since empathy can be emotionally taxing, setting boundaries and practicing self-care is essential to avoid burnout, especially in demanding jobs that require frequent social engagement. Lastly, use social connections as a resource. Strong relationships, supported by the brain's mechanisms of empathy and synchrony, contribute to resilience and emotional well-being. This support helps maintain balance between your professional responsibilities and personal life. Understanding the neuroscience of empathy and social connection shows how our brains engage with the emotions and actions of others. This knowledge can guide us in nurturing relationships and maintaining our well-being, even amidst career pressures.